What's up, guys? We're on a mission today.
To buy another car.
No, we're not, bro. We're not gonna buy another car. We're going to Reeb's house. Last video you guys seen that Reeves came over to check out the shop for the first time, and we're making some deals on some parts. So we're gonna be heading over to his house. He has a YouTube channel. He has a turbo M52 on his E30, and his car is super clean. He doesn't have the turbo anymore because the motor blew, and he decided just to stick with an NA build for now. He's building the motor from the bottom up, even crazier than I am. We're gonna go check it out, show you guys his car. He also lives in the middle of nowhere.
Too scared to go more forward.
You're scared?
Scared.
Yeah, bro, the Mamalona looks good up here. The Mamalona.
Mamalona.
What's up, dude?
Wagwan, what's cracking? How are ya? What's going on?
Everything looks fucking solid on this thing. This is for the
Because I had to lop
the chase base, huh? Damn, dude. So I'll probably have to do this.
The issue is for me, where I ended up putting my radiator.
Yeah.
I had like an inch of space between the the way the radiator was sitting. I had like an inch between the hood release, so there was like a fat gap right here. You know, air gap. You know, good for heat ventilation and stuff. But the radiator sits so low, it probably sits like an inch above the subframe. Which sucks. So I put this here just in case I was gonna scrape anything. I'm gonna scrape this. I can also make a skid plate now, and I can bolt it to my subframe. Oh yeah, you can bolt it right here. Yeah. This is all just for the radiator, huh? Pretty much, because I was just worried about the actual rigidity of the structure.
Yeah.
So I've been wanting to do this, but the last time I put the car together, I just kind of threw it together. So
I know you had it, remember? And you're waiting forever, bro. Thanks, Chase Base.
Yeah, the radiator took forever. It was also like an arm and a leg.
This we're gonna shave then.
Yeah, shave all of that. This is where this is my battery positive right here.
Oh, that's so much nicer.
So I routed the line right here through. I still have my blower motor back to here. This is ugly. You could do this better, but like take advantage of like heat sleeving and stuff.
As far as this piece, like I can either do this or I could probably just put a sheet metal plate, huh?
Yeah, you could get a sheet. I don't know about you guys, but I like the original contours.
Yeah, like the original contours.
So
yeah,
like all of this looks nice the way it came from the factory.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. That's what I'm thinking about doing too. That was good, dude.
I like that better.
One thing that we did, like right here on these little divots, we like made slices. So we like sliced it down and we hammered it.
I saw that.
So I don't know how that's gonna come out.
It's just super dusty. I haven't like cleaned it up or anything.
Oh, it's okay then. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Bro,
okay.
If you guys want to see it clean, just go watch your channel. There you go. Plug in. Just taking notes right now. This looks good right here too. This is exactly how we're gonna do it. We just came over to steal Reeb's plans. Chris, way more room.
Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Yo, I did a good ass job, bro. One man arm. Nah, I had a lot of people help me out. Shout out to everybody who helped me weld and stuff. This was actually my first time welding, so.
I don't think I'm gonna be welding, bro. I'm gonna have Judge do everything.
Dude, literally just try it, get over it. You'll be fine. It's not that bad at all.
This is a Chase Base reservoir or no?
This is it's called
eBay.
Amazon.
How
Amazon
bro.
Reservoir. I'm gonna weld a tab to it so I could actually hook it up. This is super jank. Turbo was sitting. I gotta redo all of that now.
Fuck, dude, because it got hot, huh? That's why I don't want the turbo, bro. It's so close. They said, I am not gonna buy your turbo, bro.
There you go.
He's been trying to sell me the turbo kit, bro. That'd be easy. Just plug and play.
Plug and play AF, bro. Super.
You gonna sell me the standalone?
Yeah, it comes with everything.
Bro,
everything. I'll lease it out to you too. You don't even gotta pay the full price. Alright, what's up? Welcome to the garage. Famous, world famous garage.
That shit's hard, bro.
Sign on? You want me to turn the sign on?
Yeah, turn on.
Okay, awesome.
That's so hard, bro.
Yeah,
You're going for the shop.
Yeah, you see it.
I thought this was an M52.
Nay, you can always
M50.
tell by the crank sensor. The crank sensor will be right here.
Yes, because yours is right here, correct?
On the timing
the front.
yeah.
Whack.
On
they left mine there.
M52s also, I think in Europe, they got them on there.
So talk to me about this motor, bro.
Yeah,
so you stripped it all down. Was it a junkyard motor?
This was not a junkyard motor. Those were junkyard motors.
God damn, bro.
This motor was, actually I pulled it running. I took the head gasket, or I was gonna replace the head gasket, and I saw that there was like a large like score down the cylinder. And I was like, I have it out, I have the head off, like I might as well. Yeah. And then the snowball did its thing and snowballed, and now I have like a 0 mile, everything brand new basically.
Well, he has videos on this too, so make sure to check it out.
Yeah, we just built it
stripped
recently. All down. Yeah, figured out how to measure for tolerances and clearances. It's not that bad. I highly recommend anybody to just go get an engine and tear it apart. You don't even need to put it in anything.
I'm gonna take them.
if you want.
Nah, I gotta clean my shop, bro. That shit's messy too. Stock pistons, rods, everything, right?
Stock
Just
pistons, stock
standard
rods,
bearings, or you up
standard
oversized?
bearings,
Everything's
nothing,
stock.
none of that shit, bro. It's all standard because I really need this to like last. I don't want to pull the engine again. I'm going back to NA as well. I would love to do pistons and rods. I got the fuzz on my ass, so I'm trying to evade.
Got the feds on you, bro.
I'm trying to evade.
They're hot. Putting just a regular M50 head back on, you're gonna put Vanos on it?
Yeah.
Was this of a non-Vanos block?
No, this was a Vanos block. I was non-Vanos king for a little bit, but I'll let someone reclaim the throne. We're gonna go to Vanos just for that low end power. That definitely helps with the turbo.
Well, let's talk about what happened to your
okay.
your itty bitty bang bang, bro.
Bunch of stuff, bunch of one-off stuff, bunch of cool things that we did.
Dude, this thing was gnarly. Like when you were setting it all up, I was like so jelly.
I was excited, bro. I was super excited about it. I'm still excited about it. I'm like, it's crazy that this car ever ran with a turbo because like that was always like the thing to do, right? But now I've had it and I'm kind of like, I just miss driving the car, and it ended up making the car a little bit more of a chore to drive. But I think that's how I set it up. No power steering, a gang of caster, a gang of camber, like not a good
You just went
combo.
all out, bro. You just wanted to go crazy.
Not a good combo.
It's just cool because, like I said, like this is all one off too. Like you had this welded, right? Never leaked. Everything's solid. That's probably. I'm thinking about doing this here or doing it where the radiator's at.
It's a good piece. I enjoy this because you can pressure test from here, and I don't have a reservoir too. I just run like an external small one. Literally go to AutoZone, look at all of their heat wrap, look at all of their ground cables, look at everything.
Really?
That stuff you can just pull off the shelf.
And it's cheaper than going
yeah,
online.
sometimes the ricey stuff looks good, and that like looks really good in the bay. So yeah, it worked out.
And then you also have my distribution block that I like beat the hell out of.
Yeah, it ended up working fine.
I don't know why it leaked for me. I don't want to talk about it, bro. You actually bored this over, right?
This was not bored over, it was stroked. So I had a different crank in it. So this is a 3-liter with a non-Vanos head. So it's like a S50 clone. I don't know how much it would have made NA, but we ended up making 500 on 20 pounds on 2 cylinders that were on their way out. So the ringlands broke on this.
Do you know for sure?
I'm willing to bet my left nut on it. I am not. I really just want to drive the car and never work on it again. But I will find out. I haven't driven the car. I had let it sit after the dyno day.
Yeah.
And once he came into town, we drove it up and down, like, I don't know, for like 15, 20 minutes. Stop turning on.
Oh my god.
All the compression was gone.
You just didn't give a fuck at that point though, huh?
No, I was ready to send a rod to the block.
You trimmed down the oil pan, huh?
Yes, I did. I kind of cheaped out on it, but I did.
What would you do differently?
So I would definitely kick it out. If I could, I would bring this up higher, but it's difficult. All right, it's difficult. Welding cast aluminum is a pain in the ass. I didn't baffle it. I didn't kick it out enough. So I'm like, oh, I shaved my engine bay, but then I had like a 6-inch turbo. And I'm like, you can't even, nobody's like, oh, the bay shaved. They're like, oh, it's turbo. And I'm like, okay, yeah, but like, look, I shaved it. Nobody ended up doing shit. So if you do a bay shave, just go light.
That's why, like with me, like planning on going ITBs,
Yeah.
the whole thing is just keep it fucking bare. Like I want to be able to see the ground. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Just
so,
have so much
I
room.
kept mine bare. Ethan, my buddy Ethan Adabashi, he did a bay shave turbo.
Oh, that one's gorgeous, bro.
And he tucked his intercooler line, his intake one, right past the frame rail.
My motor has the newer style oil filter housing. The whole reason I'm going with this setup is just because I want to be able to chrome the cap and polish the housing to keep everything like super clean and simple. What sucks about chroming is that you can't chrome things that like have internal stuff.
Oh, because you gotta
Because
dip the whole
it.
deal.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's why like I could only chrome the cap, and then everything else I have to sit there and polish by hand. But I don't know if he's gonna do that for me. I know Saucy said he's down, but it's a lot of work, dude.
It is a lot of work. Then again, like you could do a little mixy matchy here and there.
Yeah, it
black
didn't
alternator, chrome this.
Yeah,
and
well, I already have the alternator fully chromed out, so I don't know how I'm gonna do the alternator.
You just make it black, bro. I don't know, just mix and match, test it out, you'll figure it out. I didn't want to do sparkle on the engine bay, not at least more than that was on the outside, but then I mixed the paint and I put way too much. I put way too much sparkle in it.
House of Color or what?
Is it House of Color? I don't know. It's ice pearl. It's ice pearl.
I think that's House of Color.
It's like $100 for the jar.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fix that piece. So
Okay.
like I don't know if it's the heat or not, but this is cracking. The metal warped a little bit. Like this is all fucking Bondo that has cracked. We'll do it. I had hella people in my DM being like, oh, you did all that work just to paint it green. I'm like,
The haters, bro.
yeah,
It looks good.
I did, dude. It looks so good. And like a bay that matches the car looks so much better than a mismatched bay. Looks like you didn't paint your door jambs.
Like, I thought you filled these.
I filled this. This is so pointless. It's so...
Bro, we were gonna do mine like that because you did it. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna fill it.
I came over, I said, don't.
And I saw like...
Hell no, I didn't put that shit in the video. I'm embarrassed by that shit. It's whack.
Okay, so you don't want me to show it.
No, you can show it. It sucks. Don't do it. You can show it.
But, I mean, the whole reasoning of why you put it like this is so it can have like some support, right?
No, I didn't want it to rust.
But that would cause more rust.
I didn't know that. If someone is standing on those plates, they will bend. I hope nobody's standing in the engine bay.
No,
like if Josh needs to get out, I hope he's not standing on the fucking engine bay.
They're like in the engine bay, they're just like...
There's no reason for those to bend.
Stock steering wheel, can I buy it? How much? Garagistic mounts, these are really nice, especially if you want to do an aftermarket seat. And then I also have the new fuel rail that I was going to run. And this thing is brand new. So I'm gonna be giving this to Reeves for when he decides to run this with AN lines.
Maybe a Brit or a Recaro would be nice. Like a
I could have sold you mine.
Yeah, I'm not paying. I'm not paying for nothing here.
Definitely check out his channel because
Yes.
he's going to be uploading a fuck ton more, bro.
Yeah,
yes, you have. We back. We
Yeah.
back, baby. Like I look back at my old videos and it's just cool watching it, like reliving the memories. Like, oh shit, I remember when I did this. And it's gonna be dope seeing what you do
I'm
next.
gonna come by too.
I know.
Come by, say what's up. Maybe we could trade for the camera. I'll give you.
No, we're not, bro.
kit.
No, we're
My
not.
turbo.
Reeves is driving it for the first time. He's not gonna be able to turn it on.
Dude, La Mama Nona is fire, bro.
There you go, bro.
Mama Nona.
Later, boys.
You gonna tip the valet driver or no?
Back at the shop, and it was a great time visiting Reeves. Shout out to that guy. We traded for some cool parts and it's gonna be helping me out to complete this build. I did not know about the M-Tech steering wheel that he had, so that's super sweet because I'm gonna probably have this reupholstered and redone. And I love this steering wheel. I have the original one that came in the car, and that one is in good condition, but it's just way too big. So that one's gonna be really sweet. And obviously the oil filter housing that I'm gonna have to clean up in the parts cleaner and send it off to go get polished and chromed. I have so much things to do, a lot of money to spend, but it's all part of the process. I wanted to take you along Reeb's house. He's another YouTuber that's local, and it's awesome having people nearby that share the same passion and showing off our progress. This is what it's all about. It's about sharing in the community and trying to uplift each other and trying to grow together. I'm glad I was able to go and see what he's been up to. It is a bummer that his motor blew up because he put a lot of money and time into it, but it is part of the game and shit happens. So we all have to be positive and we have to understand that cars do break. And as long as you're positive, you have that right mindset to keep on pushing and doing what you love, that's all that matters. So that's the message for today. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in the next one.